If you're thinking about buying sleep earbuds and wondering if they're really worth $169.99, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down the VEKJ L8 Pro sleep earbuds based on official specs. If you want more honest tech reviews, no hype, no fluff, hit like, thumbs up, and subscribe. The product link is in the description with current pricing and real customer ratings. First, comfort. The VEKJ L8 Pro weighs just 3 grams each, less than a paperclip, and they were designed specifically for side sleepers. The contoured shape fits snugly without pressure. No pain, no irritation, even after 8 hours of sleep. The charging case is tiny enough to fit in your pocket, but the real standout? Right here. A full-color touchscreen on the case itself. Control music, volume, calls, answer incoming calls, even activate sleep mode, where you won't get low battery alerts or shut down notifications. Simple, smart, game-changing for nighttime use. Now, battery life, up to 6 to 8 hours per charge. With the case, total playtime reaches 48 hours. Fast charging, fully charged in just 1.5 hours. And the best part, the screen shows exact battery levels, both in the earbuds and in the case. No more guessing when it's time to recharge. So, is it good? Yes. Is it real? Yes. And is it worth it? Still unclear, but the battery alone puts it near the top of the list. Sound quality. They use 13mm drivers with internal acoustic tuning, balancing internal and external pressure to prevent sound loss. 5 adjustable EQ presets: standard, classic, jazz, rock, and pop. Switch between them with a tap. Deep bass, clear mids, crisp highs, even in noisy environments. Calls are clear too. Bluetooth 5.4 ensures stable connection with 0 dropouts. The mic picks up your voice well, even with wind or background noise. So, is it good? Definitely. Is it clear? Yes. That places the L8 Pro among the top-tier sound performers. But can they handle sweat, rain, or a workout session? Yes. IPX7 means they're safe from immersion in 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. Sweat, rain, spills, nothing breaks them. Whether you're working out, meditating, or just using them daily, this durability is a real advantage. And so, is it worth it? The more you look, the more it seems like yes. Let's recap. Ultra lightweight and comfortable for side sleepers, 48 hours total battery life, touchscreen charging case with smart controls, Bluetooth 5.4 for stable connection, IPX7 waterproof rating, 5 customizable EQ modes. All for $169.99? Is it worth it? For anyone who sleeps on their side, wants long battery life, and values smart features, yes, it's absolutely worth it. Is it good? Yes. Is it fair? Yes. Is it the best? Not for everyone, but it's one of the most complete sleep earbuds on the market right now. If you're considering buying, the link is in the description, with current price, real reviews, and official photos. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel grow. And if you want more deep dives into tech that actually improves your daily life, like sleep aids, wellness gadgets, or smart audio gear, subscribe. We only share what matters. See you in the next video. And remember, the right tech can help you sleep better. And that, nobody sells, but it deserves to be found.